Welcome back. Well, a chilly start today. Temperatures starting out in the upper 30s, finishing out near 60 degrees this afternoon. Temperatures, though, about 8 to 9 degrees below what we normally expect this time of year, but you can have a variation of 5 to 10 degrees this time of year for sure. Notice the records. We've been in the 20s already this time of year, and we can still get in the 80s. In fact, we get close to that, believe it or not, this weekend. So let's take a look at the big picture, put things in motion here, and look at the water vapor imagery and the upper level pattern. And we're being pretty much dominated by that old subtropical jet stream. Play a game. How many times are we going to see this or say the word subtropical jet stream this winter? And here's our next weather maker. It's shaping up out here in the Pacific. Nicely wound up system and a re-energization of the subtropical jet stream heading for this moisture conduit that connects all the way down to the eastern Pacific. So that spells a pretty good chance of us soaking down the road. In fact, the best looking one we've seen so far this winter, and most of the systems this winter or this fall have not delivered. This one we think certainly will. You can see it's really wound up here in the Pacific. Meanwhile, across the U.S., the big story tonight, lake effect snows in the lee of Lakes Ontario, Erie, Michigan, Huron, and Superior, all producing snow squalls and snow squall warnings, upwards of 18 inches to 24 inches in some spots in those lake effect belt areas. That's with the cold air going over the warmer lakes. Now, our air is pretty chilly as well. We had snow cover up here off to the north of us, and we have that air moving in. We have high pressure, but again, you can see the high level clouds dominating. And again, some of the Doppler radars picking up on those high clouds. There's some precipitation coming out of those clouds at about 20 to 25,000 feet, but it evaporates before it reaches the ground. So zero chance of any precipitation. In fact, Power Doppler 3 picking up on a little bit of that as well. The only time you'll pick up on these showers if they're farther away, because our radar beam is going up higher in the sky. So we're shooting up here in about 8 to 10,000 feet. So there's precip at 8 to 10,000 feet, but by the time it gets down to 5,000 feet, it has evaporated. So it's going to be a quiet night tonight. Those high clouds stick around, but thin out by tomorrow morning, and we're going to see clear skies. I think temperatures duck down into the mid to upper 30s tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow, mostly sunny day. Temperatures get into the low to mid 60s. Tomorrow night's going to be the coldest night with high pressure nearby, and then as we head into Wednesday afternoon, temperatures beginning to warm up. Even more so as we head into Thursday, winds begin to pick up as well. We start out in the 50s for Thursday, and then here comes showers and storms, embedded storms. Not expecting severe weather, but that is a possibility, especially near this area of low pressure that will be developing and getting cranked up, with the best risk of maybe a few severe storms up toward the I-20 corridor. And we're going to see rain on and off, showers and storms Thursday night, and carrying into the weekend as well. So we're going to have more disturbances move through the area. We see that on the Euro. Here comes our Thursday system, windy and warm, temperatures well into the 70s there, and then more impulses, keep it cloudy, some sprinkly rains or moderate rains redeveloping at some point Saturday or Saturday night and into Sunday night. By the middle part of next week, though, things will quiet down. But we have lots of changes in the offing over the next week. Here's the rainfall per the European model through just the Thursday weather system. And look, we'll catch an inch to 2 inches of rain. Isolated spots may catch more, then add the additional precipitation as we get into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then you're winding up with at least 2 to 4, and then isolated areas up to about 5. And that's what the Weather Prediction Center is going with. In fact, they're really painting 5-inch rainfall across much of southern Louisiana, along and south of the I-10 corridor for the most part. So some soaking rains on the way. Won't all come at once, and the ground can certainly use the precipitation as we remain mired in the drought. We'll get a drought update coming your way on Thursday, but we'll add the rain to it. So that is the good news. So overnight tonight, mid-30s your low, maybe the small chance of some frost up toward Alexandria, but the rest of us, your plants should be fine. But make sure the pets have a warm place to stay. Upper 30s I-10 corridor, pretty much the coastal parishes as well. Then tomorrow, temperatures mostly between 62 and 64 for your high across the board. A little bit milder as you get to the south, but overall, just a nice day and less wind tomorrow. so there won't be a chill factor like what we had today. Tomorrow night's the cold night, getting down to near the freezing mark. Ville Platte, Opelousas on northward. Certainly need to protect the plants. Don't need to worry about any pipe issues. Mid to upper 30s. But speaking of pipe issues, wrap the pipes now. Get it done with, because you know in December, January, we're going to have a couple of cold outbreaks at some point. Mid 30s, I-10 corridor on southward for tomorrow night. And the chance of some frost just about anywhere in Acadiana. Once you get down into the mid 30s, that certainly can happen down at ground level. So overnight tonight, 39 is what we'll go with. Plenty of high clouds out there with that full beaver or frost moon ducking through some of the clouds. And again, you might see a little bit in the way of halo action. Got a nice ring around the moon right around 9 o'clock tonight, but it depends on the uniformity of those high cirrus clouds. Then tomorrow we become mostly sunny. It's going to be a beautiful day. 64 for the projected high and very light northeast winds. Wednesday looks twice as nice, but it will be frosty in the morning for especially the northern parishes. And then here comes the rain. 90% chance of rain, mainly afternoon and evening overnight. Lingering rain chances. And at some point, we'll have another good chance at a pretty good soaking sometime this weekend, with the rain ending early next week. And then we'll resume your nice December pattern as we get into the middle part of next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up in just a little bit.